In the emerging narrative of Solarpunk, the Verdant Spire stands as a poetic merger of architecture, ecology, and engineering. Its form is unmistakably vertical, a slender lattice of tensile bamboo-reinforced carbon fiber that spirals upward like a living trunk. The structural skeleton is wrapped in a breathable membrane of mycelial foam, providing both insulation and a substrate for the tower's most vital skin, a cascade of genetically programmed vines. These vines, engineered to contain chlorophyll-rich algae and nanophotovoltaic cells, unfurl in tiered bands, each band tuned to a different spectrum of light. The tower's crown hosts a helical respiration dome where air pumps driven by wind-swayed leaves extract CO2, feeding the photosynthetic cascade while releasing oxygen into the urban canopy. Functionally, the Verdant Spire is a dual-purpose power station and climate moderator. Sunlight and ambient carbon are converted into electricity via the algae photovoltaic symbiosis, delivering up to 2.5 megawatts of clean energy to nearby districts. Simultaneously, the transpiration of the vines generates a mist that cools surrounding streets, offsetting heat island effects. Integrated sensors monitor humidity, light intensity, and structural stress, feeding data to a citywide digital twins platform that optimizes growth patterns and load balancing in real time. Maintenance is minimal. Periodic pruning is performed by autonomous drones that also harvest excess biomass for community compost. Aesthetically, the spire embodies the Solarpunk credo of beauty in sustainability. Its organic lattice is rendered in a warm, amber-toned bamboo that ages gracefully, while the living skin shifts color with the seasons, a deep emerald in summer, amber gold in autumn, muted gray in winter, creating a kinetic sculpture that breathes with the city. The design language draws from early 20th century Art Nouveau sinuous lines, yet is expressed in a contemporary digital rendered watercolor style that emphasizes translucency and motion. The Verdant Spire thus functions not merely as infrastructure but as a living landmark, inviting citizens to see energy as a shared, growing organism rather than a buried commodity.